In this video, I'll share the best website builders for e-commerce. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or starting fresh, these platforms can help you create a store that looks great and actually sells without needing a developer. Let's get started. Criteria. When picking the best website builders, we focus on three things. Ease of use. You should be able to build a store without stress. Design and features. The builder should give you a professional looking site and the tools to actually run your business. And finally, price. You want solid value without overspending. Before we jump in, let's quickly rule out a few options. WordPress with WooCommerce is powerful, but too complex for beginners. Webflow gives you full design control, but the learning curve is steep. BigCommerce is built for very large stores, which makes it overkill for most small and medium businesses. Instead, let's look at 5 builders that are easier, smarter, and built for selling online. Hostinger. Best for starting small and saving money. Hostinger makes it easy to get started. The editor is simple. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and you're live. There's even an AI website builder that can set things up for you. Design freedom is limited compared to Wix, but it's enough for freelancers, solo sellers, or local shops. The focus here is speed and simplicity, and it delivers on that. It also includes basic e-commerce tools like product listings, a shopping cart, and checkout, so you can start selling right away. You won't find advanced integrations here, but if you're running a small shop, you may not need them. Pricing starts at just $12.19 per month, with cheaper rates if you choose a longer plan. Hostinger is the best choice if you need a fast, affordable store without extra fluff. GoDaddy. Best for first-time store owners. GoDaddy is built for anyone who's never made a website before. You choose a layout, swap in your text and images, and you're ready to sell. It also has built-in tools to post updates to your website and social media at the same time, plus basic SEO features and a simple online store. Customization is limited, but that's what makes it stress-free for beginners. For e-commerce, GoDaddy includes a basic product catalog, inventory tracking, and shipping options so you can handle small sales easily. It also supports appointments and service bookings, which is great for businesses that don't only sell products. Plans start at $12.31 per month. Verdict: GoDaddy is the easiest way to get a working store online with zero hassle. Squarespace, best for stylish stores and service sales. Squarespace is all about design. Its templates are clean and modern, giving your store a professional look right from the start. The editor keeps everything aligned, so your site always looks polished. Beyond design, Squarespace includes scheduling tools, invoicing, and the ability to sell unlimited products and services. It's ideal for creatives, coaches, salons, and other service businesses. It also supports digital products, memberships, and gift cards, which opens up extra revenue streams. And with its Acuity scheduling integration, customers can pay for appointments and services directly on your site. Pricing starts at $25 per month or $16 per month if billed annually, with a 14-day free trial. Squarespace is the best choice if you want a sleek, stylish store that impresses customers. Shopify, best for serious product-based businesses. Shopify is built for selling at scale. You can list unlimited products, manage inventory, and accept over 100 different payment options. It also makes multi-channel selling easy, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Amazon, or even in person with Shopify POS. The templates are designed to convert, and the App Store gives you thousands of extra features. Shopify also has advanced e-commerce features like abandoned cart recovery, custom discount codes, and built-in shipping integrations. With AI tools like Shopify Magic, it can even generate product descriptions for you. The only drawback is cost. Plans start at $25 a month or $19 if billed annually, plus extra for many other apps. Shopify is the best pick if you want serious sales power and room to grow. Wix, best all-in-one platform for e-commerce growth. Wix combines ease of use with complete creative freedom. You can start with thousands of templates and drag and drop elements anywhere you like, or let Wix's AI builder create a store for you in minutes. It also comes with built-in tools for SEO, email marketing, bookings, and e-commerce, so you don't need dozens of separate apps. Wix also includes useful e-commerce features like automated tax calculation, multiple payment gateways, and integration with dropshipping services. You can even customize customer journeys with features like abandoned cart recovery and personalized email campaigns. Paid plans start at $17 per month, and there's a free plan to try first. Wix is the best all-in-one builder, giving you flexibility, features, and control in one easy package. So here's the quick recap. Hostinger is best if you're on a budget. GoDaddy is the easiest for beginners. Squarespace is great for creative and service-based stores. Shopify is a great choice if you want to scale a product business. And Wix is the best all-in-one platform overall. It balances ease of use with powerful e-commerce features, giving you everything you need to grow from your first sale to a full online brand. So if you're ready to launch your store, check out the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.